Hi, I'm Jane Malvar. I'm not sure if you remember me.
Oh, hi! Jade! Ano ka ba naman? Of course I remember you. You called?
We're hoping to collaborate with Yumi.
Yes, of course. My girls would love that.
Great. Be available, let's say, this Thursday at your office, probably?
Yes!
Okay, that's great.
See you. Thank you.
Okay, see you. BGYO wants to do a collab with you.
Huh?
Yes! BGYO? The BGYO?
Yes, the BGYO. Oh, BGYO yun, no?
Yeah.
Asan yun?
Oh my God. Miss Monica.
Hello, Jade. Hello, boys.
Hello po.
I'd like you to meet Yumi. This is Yuna, Nancy, Althea, and Megan. And that's their road manager, Anya.
Hello po.
So girls, BGYO, of course, kilala nyo naman, right? And their manager, Jade.
Hi, BGYO and Nixie are spearheading this year's P-Pop Summer Storm event. And, yes, Nixie. But my boys here, they are actually here for Yumi. And gusto kayong makasama. Fans kasi sila ng Yumi.
Oh, wow. That's so sweet. Thank you.
Also, boys, would you like to say something?
Hi, Megan.
Megan.
Sorry, yes, asan po si Jenny?
She's no longer part of Yumi. Is there a problem?
Sa totoo po kasi, na-inspire po kami sa kwento niya. No offense po sa ibang members, pero siya po kasi yung reason kung ba't gusto namin makipag-collab ng BGYO with Yumi.
Yeah, she stood for something kasi.
Apo. And that's the vibe we want this time.
Nagpakatotoo po kasi siya eh. Nung sinabi niya po na gusto niyang ipagmalaki yung nanay niya sa mundo, nasapul po talaga kami.
Yes, siguro po dahil close din kami sa mga nanay namin.
So, we're sorry, Miss Anya and Miss Monica. Pero kung hindi kasama si Jenny, hindi namin itutuloy yung collab.
Actually, it's not final yet. I'll see what I can do. I'll do something about it and I'll get back to you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.